They're just trying to reclaim that win from 1946. Here we go. Goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone. Lesson 5. Aerial link, first one off the line before we started. First one off the line after we started. Had the whole shot, now dropping back into the number 5 spot in traffic. Your leader looks to be Sticks and Stones, representing the University of Central Florida. We got a couple from Flo Rida here in heat number 2. This 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship hosted by the University of North Dakota. Great event, supported by some great partners like GemFan, who's with us. All kinds of prizes on our podium, along with the Greater Grand Forks, helping us with all the accommodations and hospitality for all of our 46 pilots competing this event. The number was higher, but the weather was rough. We'll talk about that later. Sticks and Stones still your leader after 1 with a 47.7. Aerial link back up in the skies with a 51.6 on lap 1. Don't break with a 54.0. We're at the midway point, a minute in, minute still to go. And a 3.8 second lead for Sticks and Stones ahead of Aerial Link. But now they, oh wow, they may have connected as they were working their way up the tower. So Sticks and Stones getting the bump, the advantage of the bump as he goes forwards. And Aerial Link trying to get back up. And not looking good. Somehow his quad is moving like it is, it's hanging, I thought it was being carried. It is hanging in a net or a guide rope. Something super weird. And that is like riding the tilt-a-hurl. Let's 25 seconds still to go. So your leader still Sticks and Stones. There's a ding. It'll be a checkered flag the next time they go around. There's a ding. 3 laps in 2 minutes 16 for Don't Break. 3 laps, 2 minutes 17 for Sticks and Stones. They slide into 2nd and 3rd right now. Everyone down. Let's go for a quad retrieval.